Hello! I'm here with Miming, guys. Ito yung update namin. We are just here, relaxing. Ayun si Miming. Ming, do you feel good? You see her? You see? You see? Do you feel good? Huh? Ming, are you okay? Okay. You feel sleepy? Feel sleepy? Okay. So, yun kami guys with Miming. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? How are you today? So, we are here with Miming. Just relaxing muna. Relax, relax. Kumusta kayo dyan guys? I hope you have a good day everyone. So, ito tayo guys. Meron pa akong dapat gawin pero yun, nag-relax pa. So yun lang guys, maraming salamat. Thank you for watching guys. Ito yung update natin with Miming. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. See you next again.